In this video, I will show you how to crochet a flower headband. This one we don't need to connect a lot, so we crochet just go around and then finish. In this project, I used 4 ply milk cotton yarn and 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. If you are ready, let's get started. Create a slip knot. Yarn over, pull through, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we will A slip stitch into the 6th chain from hook. So at the end, A slip stitch, and then crochet chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then crochet, double crochet, yarn over, insert into the ring. Pull through the first 2 loops, pull it through the 2 loops left, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops left. There you go. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and then double crochet. First 2 loops and 2 loops left. So this one double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and the space are chain 3. And for this one we will crochet chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have chain 12, and then I will A slip stitch into the 6th chain from hook. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. A slip stitch. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we will crochet a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. A slip stitch. And this one should be at the top, so the yarn is in the back. Now we will crochet chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. 1. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then double crochet. Chain 3. 1 double crochet. So this one we will keep repeating from this process until to your desired length. So remember, chain 12. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 12 and then a slip stitch into the 6th chain from hook. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. A slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. And a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. And the yarn should be at the bottom and this one at the top. Turn over. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet. Chain 3. 1 2 3 double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. So in one ring we have 3 double crochets. 1 2 3. So keep continuing this process until to your desired length. Now I get to my desired length, and then I will crochet this one opposite direction. Chain 3, 1 2 3, double crochet into the ring. One, two, three. 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3. The same A-slip stitch that we did. And then this one we will crochet chain 2, 1 2, and then A-slip stitch into the first chain. So this one we have 6 space, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This one also repeat from this process. Chain 1 2 3, add double crochet into the ring. 1 2 3, double crochet, chain 3, and then a slip stitch into the same stitch that we did in here. Chain 1 2, and then a slip stitch to the first chain. So keep continuing this process until the end. Now I am at the end, and then we will join first, second and third, a slip stitch into the third chain, first, second and third, a slip stitch, chain 1. Simply cut the yarn. This one I will change the color. And the tail within or ends. Create a slip knot to join. One, two, three. Chain 1, single crochet, and then crochet 4 double crochet. One, 2, 3, and 4, and then 1 single crochet. There you go. And then we crochet in another space. Repeat same as this process. Single crochet, and then 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet, and another space also same as this, single crochet, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet. Next, I will add chain 2, 1, 2, and then crochet single crochet in this another space. So keep repeating from this process to this one. Now I am at the end. For another side, also repeat from this process. Go around until the end. Now I am at the end. I will join and crochet the tail. A slip stitch and then crochet chain 40. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing. Now I have chain 40. And this one we will crochet the end, yarn over twice, and then insert in the 4th chain from hook. First, second, third, and 4th. First 2 loops, yarn over twice, insert in the same stitch. First 2 loops, and 2 loops. One more. First 2 loops, 2 loops, and the rest. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3. Fasten up. And then weave in our ends. For another side, keep repeating from this process. So for this one, create a slip knot. Pull through. And then crochet the chain 40. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing. Now I have for both sides, and then weave in our ends. Congratulations! Now you have finished with the flower headband.